Hey ladies, so today we're going to talk about UTIs. So how you know you have a urinary tract infection is usually you wake up in the morning, you go to use the bathroom, and you have a burning sensation that is not very sensational. Then when you pee, you realize you have about a tablespoon of urine that comes out, despite the fact that you had a urge to pee very badly. You felt like you were about to let go of floodgates and you didn't. So most women, you can tell when they have a urinary tract infection because they're the woman who can be spotted with a facial expression like this. And a gallon of cranberry juice. I have found an alternative to the cranberry juice that is actually cheaper and works faster. At least it's worked faster for me. And when I've told my friends about it, they've had the exact same experiences. Now, what I will say is always talk to your doctor before you try any of these remedies, because you might be taking a medication that this might interfere with, or everyone has different body types, and we just want to make sure that everyone's doing what they have to do safely. But with that being said, the remedy I found out about is baking soda and water. Who'd have thought? Not me, said me. So let me let you know why this works and how I found out about this. Let's flash back to 2008 when I came home with a urinary tract infection and I was in a lot of pain. My grandmother was like, "Why are you drinking so much cranberry juice?" I was like, "You just don't understand what it's like to be a woman, Grandma. I got a UTI. Just leave me alone, give me some space." And she told me, "Why don't you just drink some baking soda and water?" And I was like, "I don't have time for your voodoo. What is baking soda and water? What is it? Do people even drink baking soda?" But I ended up being in so much pain that I tried it. So what my grandmother did is she took 2 tablespoons of baking soda. She put it in a glass of water, which is about 8 ounces, and she had me drink it. She followed that 8-ounce glass of the water and baking soda mixture with just a plain glass of water. I drank that, and 20 minutes later, I did not feel any of my symptoms. It was a really great feeling, and since then, I have not drank cranberry juice because this has worked so quickly for me. So I talked to a medical professional about why this happened, because I didn't just want to say, "Hey, try this, and it's effective," and leave you guys without any clue as to why it works, because you should always know how your body works. So the reason why this is so effective is because the bacteria that's in your bladder actually thrives in an acidic environment, which is why it hurts so much and it burns so much when you walk. What the baking soda does is it actually makes it the acidity lower and makes it difficult for the bacteria to thrive in your uterus, for it to thrive in your bladder. So what you need to do is just make sure that when you drink the baking soda and water concoction, you always follow it up with more water to make sure that you're not overdosing yourself in baking soda. But this has worked so great for me. Some other tips for you if you have a urinary tract infection is if you use spermicides or a diaphragm as your form of birth control, you're more likely to actually get a urinary tract infection. So some studies have shown that women who use those forms of birth control actually have more occurrences of urinary tract infections. Something else that you might want to consider is when you have a urinary tract infection, you don't want to drink any citric juices, tomato juices, coffee, or alcohol. This just irritates you more. It also adds to the pain that you feel, that you feel, and that burning sensation that you feel when you walk around when you have a urinary tract infection. That's all that I have for you guys. So let me know what you think. This remedy has been so helpful for me. Like, I don't even eat cranberry sauce at Thanksgiving anymore because I just have such a bad connotation and so many bad memories because of it. And it's because this has been so effective for me. So I really hope that this helps you guys. Let me know what you think. Leave comments. But I was excited to make this video because I know how much this home remedy works. But like I said, check with your doctor. Make sure it works for you.